seafood. Today we're going to be making mermaid punch. First we're going to add a packet of blue raspberry lemonade. You can use any brand you like. Now we're going to add a cup of pineapple juice. Next we're going to add 2 cups of lemon lime soda. You may use any brand you like. Next, we're going to add 2 cups of lemonade. We made homemade lemonade, but you can buy some from the store if you'd like. Any brand, or you can make your own at home. Now I'm going to stir it up. We add 2 more cups of lemon lime soda and 2 more cups of lemonade because we add extra. They're on the way. Now we're going to try it. Not bad. Tastes really good. Mainly like lemonade. And a hint of lime. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.